Unite for the common results. Recently, startuppers and test engineers have visited the 6th Test QA Startups event.
The main value of this event is first of all, for the startups, for the Ukrainian startups, we are helping them to do some technical evaluation before they go to investors or in the process of that. And the second, to the quality assurance engineers to help them to be more, grow from the technical perspective.
We really want that Ukrainian startups be the best in the quality and can found their space in the around the world startup industry.
In this hackathon, the QA engineers help startups to reveal different bugs and deliver professional feedback to them. The participation for all the sides are free.
This fascinating event is based on the win-win principle, because every participant has opportunity to get benefits.
First of all, it's useful for test engineers. They have some collaboration platform, they can craft their skills and get some prizes as well. It's very important.
The jury was compiled of the professionals in the field of QA who assured us that all the process of judgment was transparent and fair.
We do not blame participants for small mistakes, and we usually evaluate in all defects by severity, how it's important for the product. Then usually we take a look how exact is description of the defect, so it will be really easy for developers to reproduce it and fix.
58 test engineers who took part in this event were divided into 20 teams in 3 sections: web, Android and iOS.
As you can see, we just do this magic metro steps to test our Android app, and as we have already heard about this, it's some very interesting as for us technologies, and it will be also not only opportunity as for a testing, but also some new knowledge about technologies.
It's like brainstorm, I think, and new connection to find maybe new friends and to check how professional you are.
It's a good opportunity to try yourself, your experience, your qualifications in new directions. You came to try to win.
Plenty of Ukrainian startups were tested during the previous 5 hackathons. Some of them are well known on the global market.
We're helping startups ecosystems in Ukraine and already helped to SpedCube, App Store, Adera startups, WashMe, QPage, Track, Backtrack, Pybox, Recap and 3G, and a lot of more.
2 startups were selected to participate in the 6th hackathon, and they have big expectations.
It's a chance to test our solution not by our QA teams that has own vision to our product and have some own understanding how it's tested, but to receive some feedback fully independent about our product.
It will be very helpful because there are many QA engineers and our product is for QA engineers, and they can tell me if it is user-friendly, if it is really easy QA, yes. I'm waiting for many bugs. Interesting.
This initiative proves to be interesting for the Ukrainian tech community, and it was implemented due to the mutual efforts of organizers and those interested in startups and QA.
We are organizing by ourselves. Our main partner is Cyclum, general partner and a hosting partner, and all communities in Ukraine like Quality Assurance, Kiev Club, and different developers communities. Yeah.
Test QA Startups Hackathon is being held several times per year. Organizers are planning the next one to be held this fall, so it will be a new challenge for the startuppers, QA engineers and the Ukrainian tech community.
Events like Test QA Startups is very important for our community and should be held on a regular basis because it helps to enhance Ukraine brand as IT country.
Also, we can show that Ukraine can produce own products, which will be really famous in the world and will be really helpful for users not only in Ukraine but abroad as well.
We know that worldwide we have some events like this, like testathons, but they are not having identity. They are helping different startups. On the world, we are helping Ukrainian startups and helping to build the Ukrainian ecosystem for the startups' growth.